Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Bafang e-bike. If you did a conversion like we did on that Yeti, I know it's a little bit funny to see a Yeti with a Bafang, but it works amazing, guys. The only problem is that if you have the stock Chainring, it doesn't work. Why? Because the chain offset is terrible, guys. Check this thing out now. If you come from the top, you can see how the chain, okay, sits like this one, and practically it skips, it wears out the chain super fast. So we'll explain how we can fix that for just a few dollars. It's an amazing deal, guys. But before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any of the tools, parts that we use, or anything for your bicycle, even the Bafang kit, you can check the link in the description of the video below. You can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. Here now, guys, okay, we're going to remove the crank arms. So we're going to go ahead, remove that one. We will need to use the special tool here, okay, to extract that Bafang crank arm. So we're going to go ahead, screw it on, make sure it goes all the way in, because sometimes there is quite a bit of tension on those. It really depends, guys, but let's go ahead, get that one now and pull it out. We'll show you how we're going to fix it today. Okay, it started coming out. Some of them will be super tight. Don't let me fool you guys. Some I had to step on them with my foot to pre-loosen them. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead, remove the five little bolts here. In our case, this is, guys, a 4mm hex key, or in other words, Allen wrench, hex key, different names for that. So we're going to go ahead do that. Before I remove more, let me go ahead and pull the chain out, okay, so we don't have any tension, because we can mess up the thread, okay. We can mess up the thread on the last bolt, because the chain will try to pull it and it can damage the thread sometimes. So remove your chain before we proceed, before you even start taking the first one off, so you don't forget. Okay, perfect. This one is about to come out. Next, we're going to go ahead, guys, okay, and we're going to install the new chainring that's going to fix our offset now by, I think, about 2mm. I'll put the specs in the description of the video below. So check this now, check that chainring, guys. The other one was flat, this one has the offset. So without offset, okay, you can see the chain practically will fit straight. It doesn't even get in our frame. So this is amazing, because otherwise, okay, you can see it was gonna practically ruin our experience, ruin the chain. There is a minimum teeth count that you have to have for that, because otherwise it's not going to work. So you can go around the Bafang motor. You can see right here, that's where you have the extension on the bottom. That's why there should be a minimum, I think, I don't remember what it is, 42, 46 teeth, but I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. And that way, guys, okay, there are two different versions. I'll put that one as well, but that's how you fix that problem. So guys, we actually went ahead and we installed it. I want to show you the after, okay, after what it looks like. Okay, they by the way have two different kinds. If you have the BBS 01 or 02 motor, you need to make sure that you get the correct one. BBS 01 is narrower, BBS 02 is wider here, guys. So now this one, I believe is 11mm offset. Some have up to 23. We cannot fit 23 because the frame is right here, but I want to show you now. Okay, check this thing out. The chain ring, okay, is perfectly, the chain is perfectly lining up. Everything is amazing, guys. So that definitely takes care of that problem. The bike shifts really nice, smooth. There is no tension on the actually side tension on the chain, on the rear cassette, and that should make parts last longer. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.